Hello and welcome. We're here with a quick demonstration of how to use the ride registration feature in Edulog's Parent Portal. If your district is using the ride registration feature, you can access the feature via the Student List tab. Select the student for whom you wish to request transportation. Then, the ride registration panel will appear in the center of the screen. To get started, simply click on Request Registration. Immediately, you are presented with an opportunity to enter the home pickup or drop-off address for your student's transportation. The default will be populated with the location of your phone or device. You may also type in a street address where your student is before being picked up in the morning or dropped off in the afternoon. You can type an address which is then populated by a Google screen. As soon as you see the address that is desired, simply select that address. Once you have the address in the field, click on Request Registration. At this point, the panel in the middle of the screen shows that your ride registration has been received. There is also information on the date and time in which you submitted the registration and the address used for this request. The school district may send you additional information during the registration process. These notifications arrive as push notifications, but they also appear in your inbox, which is accessible from the home screen. Once your registration has been approved, you will receive a push notification that indicates this. These push notifications are also available in your inbox. Once your registration has been approved, it'll be indicated as such in the panel with the green checkmark. Now simply go to the transportation schedule to see the bus time and location for your student. Thank you for using Edulog's ride registration.